Urgent. CISA flags Cisco device risks. Weak passwords a major threat. CISA has warned about vulnerabilities in Cisco devices, particularly with the Smart Install feature and weak password types. Cybercriminals exploit these flaws to access critical system files. CISA advises disabling Smart Install and using stronger Type 8 passwords to enhance security and mitigate risks. Security giant ADT confirms data breach. Customer info leaked on dark web. ADT confirmed a data breach where customer information, including email addresses and physical addresses, was leaked on a hacking forum. While no evidence suggests compromise of security systems or financial data, the incident raises concerns about phishing and identity theft. ADT is investigating and has reassured customers of minimal impact. Rising threat. Golddigger and Gigabud banking Trojans exploit phishing tactics. Cybersecurity analysts report a surge in Gigabud Android banking Trojan activity, with the malware now targeting users in new regions. Gigabud, which mimics legitimate apps and uses advanced phishing tactics, shares significant similarities with the Golddigger Trojan, suggesting a coordinated threat. Both malwares employ similar tools and techniques, highlighting an expanding and sophisticated campaign. Iran's fake news sites targeting voters in 2024 U.S. presidential election, says Microsoft. Microsoft's latest report reveals increased efforts by Iranian state-linked groups to influence the 2024 U.S. presidential election. They are using fake news websites targeting both political sides, employing AI to create and plagiarize content to sow division. These operations also include spear phishing and strategic intelligence collection aimed at disrupting the election process. Phishing scam targets Google users with malware disguised as authenticator app. Cyber Research and Intelligence Lab, CRIL, has uncovered a sophisticated phishing scheme involving a fake Google Safety Center site. This site tricks users into downloading malware posing as Google Authenticator, which installs Latrodectus and ACR Stealer. These malware strains steal data and maintain persistence, highlighting growing cyber threat complexity. Elon Musk's X halts EU data processing amid AI Grok training concerns. Elon Musk's X has agreed to pause the collection of EU user data for AI development following a legal challenge from Ireland's Data Protection Commission. The DPC argues that X's data practices may violate GDPR. The case, involving potential broader implications for AI regulation and data privacy, is ongoing.